Most people think moving to Europe for work requires a job offer first. A contract. A sponsor. A company willing to take a chance on you. And without that, the dream ends before it even starts. But what if I told you there's a country in Europe that gives you a window of opportunity to enter first, and then find a job legally on the ground? That country is Italy. And in 2026, the Italy job seeker visa pathway is becoming one of the most talked about opportunities for international professionals trying to break into the European job market. But here's the surprising truth. Most applicants don't fail because they are unqualified. They fail because they misunderstand how the system actually works. Let me tell you a story. Michael, a 31-year-old professional from Chicago, had one goal: move to Europe, build a career in tech, and experience a life beyond the United States. He applied to jobs across Germany, France, and the Netherlands. Hundreds of applications. Almost no responses. And the same message kept appearing. Work authorization required. That one line closed every door. Then one night, while researching alternative pathways, he discovered something different. Italy's job seeker visa route. At first, it sounded too good to be true. Move without a job offer? Search while inside Europe? It felt risky. But Michael had nothing left to lose. So he studied the process carefully. He prepared his documents. He planned his finances. And he applied. 6 months later, he was in Milan attending interviews. And shortly after, he landed a role in a growing tech company. So what did Michael understand that most people miss? That's exactly what we're going to break down today. This is not just a visa guide. This is a step-by-step roadmap to understanding how Italy's job seeker pathway works in 2026. But here's the problem. Most people assume the visa guarantees a job. It doesn't. It guarantees opportunity. And opportunity only works if you are prepared. So let's start from the beginning. What exactly is the Italy job seeker visa? In simple terms, it allows qualified non-EU professionals to enter Italy legally and stay for a limited period while searching for employment. No job offer required before arrival. But here's where it gets interesting. Italy does not treat this as a casual entry route. It is designed for skilled professionals. People who can contribute to the economy? Which means your background matters. Your experience matters. And your preparation matters even more. Now let's talk about eligibility. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume anyone can apply. That's not true. You generally need higher education qualifications, a university degree or equivalent professional certification, and relevant work experience in your field. Michael almost misunderstood this step. He initially thought his experience alone was enough. But once he aligned his profile with Italy's expectations, everything became clearer. Now let's talk about financial requirements. This is one of the most important parts. Because Italy wants proof of one thing: that you can support yourself while searching for a job. You must show sufficient funds to cover your stay. This includes accommodation, food, transportation, and daily expenses. And here's the surprising truth. Many applications are rejected not because of weak profiles, but because of weak financial documentation. So clarity is critical. Now let's move to the application process. And this is where structure matters. Step 1. Prepare your documents. This includes your passport, educational certificates, professional experience records, and financial proof data. Step 2. Submit your application through the Italian consulate in your country. Step 3. Attend any required interviews or verification steps. Step 4. Wait for approval. And here's where patience becomes important. Because processing times can vary depending on workload and documentation accuracy. Now, let's go back to Michael. Because his first attempt almost failed. Not because he lacked skills, but because his financial documents were not clearly organized. So he restructured everything. Updated his bank statements. Added clear documentation. And reapplied. That time, he succeeded. Now let's talk about what happens after approval. This is where the journey begins. Once you receive your visa, you travel to Italy. But here's the key insight. Your real mission starts after arrival. You are not moving to Italy to live immediately. You are moving to search, network, and secure employment. And this is where many people struggle. Because job hunting in a new country is not the same as job hunting online. Let's introduce another story. Zara, a digital marketing specialist from New York, arrived in Rome full of excitement. She believed her experience would make job searching easy. But after 2 weeks, nothing. No interviews. No responses. Frustration started building. But then she changed her approach. Instead of applying blindly online, she focused on networking. LinkedIn connections, local meetups, recruitment agencies, and everything shifted. Within weeks, she had multiple interviews. That's the hidden truth. In Italy, networking is just as important as qualifications. Now let's talk about job market trends in 2026. Italy is seeing growth in several sectors. Technology, engineering, healthcare, tourism, and digital services. But here's the surprising truth. Many international candidates focus only on big cities like Milan and Rome. But smaller cities often have less competition and more opportunities. Now, let's talk about language. English is widely used in international companies. But here's the catch. Knowing basic Italian dramatically increases your chances. Even simple communication skills can make a difference in interviews. Now let's talk about costs. Living in Italy varies depending on location. Milan is more expensive. Smaller cities are more affordable. On average, monthly living costs can range from moderate to high, depending on lifestyle. And here's where planning matters. Because financial pressure can affect your job search. Now, let's talk about visa duration. The job seeker visa is temporary. It gives you a limited window to find employment. And here's the reality. Time management becomes critical. You cannot waste months waiting passively. You must act quickly. Apply daily. Network constantly. Adapt continuously. Now let's address the biggest fear. What if I don't find a job? This is where emotional reality matters. Because uncertainty is real. Pressure builds. Time runs out. And stress increases. But here's the truth most people don't realize. Your success depends heavily on preparation before arrival. Michael prepared his CV in European format. Sarah built connections before landing. And both improved their chances significantly. Now let's talk about common mistakes. Applying without understanding eligibility. Submitting incomplete financial documents. Ignoring networking. Waiting too long to start job hunting. And underestimating language barriers. Each mistake reduces your success rate. Now, let's zoom out. Because this is not just about a visa. It is about strategy. It is about entering a competitive market with preparation instead of hope. Italy is not offering guarantees. It is offering access. And access only becomes valuable when you use it correctly. Michael succeeded because he adapted. Sarah succeeded because she changed her strategy. And now the question is, what will you do? Because most people will watch this video, feel inspired, and then continue doing nothing differently. But a small percentage will act. They will prepare documents properly, research the job market, build networks early, and take control of their future. So here's your next step. Start by understanding your eligibility. Prepare your financial proof carefully. And begin researching opportunities before applying. Because preparation is what separates success from rejection. And if this guide helped you understand the Italy job seeker visa process in 2026, make sure you subscribe. Because we are uncovering more global work visas, immigration strategies, and international career pathways that most people never hear about. Your future is not limited by where you are today. It is defined by how you prepare for tomorrow. And now, you know exactly where to begin.